Hello guys, and welcome back to another painting video on my channel. I begin by drawing the silhouette with a pencil. Once you're sketching, you don't need very dark or harsh lines. Once you're done with sketch, you can start painting. You can choose any color of your choice. I chose white, yellow, a little bit of orange, purple, brown and red. So I mix yellow with a white color to make a lemon kind of color and focus this color around the silhouette. Whenever you have a light color, make sure to paint it close to silhouette so that when you paint a dark color of silhouette, it would stand out on a light background. And after using that yellow color, I mix purple with brown and focus it around the edges of the canvas. And then blend it into yellow color. Take a very little amount of orange and focus it around yellow color. Again, working on the edges. For ground, I used the same color that I used for the edges of sky. You need the edges to be dark, and the area that is near the silhouette should be light. And the color is so dark that the trees have just disappeared. I made the edges more dark, and the key here is to blend colors. These gradients look really nice when they're blended together in a nice color. You could use any color that you like. I just for the change liked purple and yellow color, and it was also in the reference that I was using. Now for the trees, I used the same purple and brown color, but for the trees that were far away, I used a very transparent kind of color. It was very light. For painting the branches of the tree, use a smaller brush because it would be really easy. A smaller brush would make it really easy to paint little tiny branches of tree. And the trees that are closer to you would be darker color. If the color isn't dark enough, because I'm using the same purple and brown that I used on the sky, what you can do is just add a little bit of black to darken the color. But black is such a strong color, so just mix a tiny amount of it and it would go a long way. And the last step is silhouette, finally the silhouette. For silhouette you also need the same color, purple and brown. You take purple and brown, mix it together, and if the color isn't dark enough, you add a little bit of black. But I wanted the purple to stand out, so that's why I didn't use black. but it would work fine because you're using purple on a very light background which is of yellow color, so it would work fine. And the painting is done. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that you enjoyed the process. If you did so, leave a like, leave a comment.